Yeah, I got a lot of pictures, so we got some
Couldn't have picked a better day to come either. I mean, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
I thought you would enjoy it, Charlie.
I always enjoy these little daily trips.
Okay, my seat is on. How can we turn my seat off?
TJ can.
TJ, can you turn my seat off? Because my seat got really warm just all of a
If
sudden.
it don't hot, it will.
Okay, do you want it all the way off?
I want
or
it
just
all
on?
the way off, and the steering wheel's hot too, so turn that off. So must be on automatic or something. Oh, my seat belt.
Yeah, let's hope that's doing the seatbelt.
Jefferson Park. I ain't been to Blue Ridge Parkway in years.
I don't think we have either, to tell you the
I
truth.
guess the last time I went was when me and Nana came from your house down through here.
Is that the last time?
I believe it was. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it was.
I think the last time we were is when we followed Diesel Juicy, wasn't it, TJ?
Yeah.
He was on his scooter.
I would have thought we'd have saw some snow. But it's been several days of dryness too.
Yeah.
I probably wouldn't have come up today if I thought it was going to be snow over here.
Well, no way was saying not that it was gonna snow today, but he thought we might still see some leftover snow from when it rained down in Charlotte.
Oh, okay.
On the side of the road or
You know, times when
the valleys.
it was just rain for us, but it snowed up here.
Oh, yeah.
You don't take the Blue Ridge Parkway if you're going to try to make time.
No.
No, it's for scenic.
Yeah.
I mean, that day we came, we got tired.
Like I said, Roanoke's 152 miles. It'd take you a while to go this 152 miles because it's
Yeah, I'm not sure.
because of the speed you have to go. And the speed limit on the Parkway is 45 miles the whole 45 miles an hour the whole way.
Yeah. I'm not sure where we got off at. I don't think we went maybe a couple of hours.
Did you get as far as Mabry Mill? Or Roanoke?
Not that day, I don't think. We may have went by, but I mean, we stopped by there. I don't think it was the maybe we might have stopped that day. I'm not sure.
You know, we went up to the Pixelator one time.
Yeah, that's the other direction.
Well, yeah, I know that.
Roanoke. That's not down this way.
I know that.
Okay. Well, we did get to the Pixelator. We went into the Pixelator Lodge. Well, that's overlooked. I mean, it's not probably.
Yeah.
Alright, you want me to stop?
See nothing there.
Yeah, go ahead. I think you're going the wrong way.
Yeah, I am.